Hello everyone, today I'll be sharing with you how to get this easy festive look. If you like the look, please continue watching. If you enjoy the video, please give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. To start off, I've used the Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer and I've applied that all over my face to give a smooth complexion. Next, I've used the LA Girl Orange Corrector to apply around my mouth area where there's a bit of pigmentation, and I've also applied that same corrector under my eyes. Next, I've used the L'Oreal Paris Infallible foundation in the shade Amber, and I've used a beauty blender to apply it all over my face. Next, I moved on to this concealer in the shade Warm Honey from LA Girl. I've applied that under my eyes, and next I have blended it using my beauty blender. I've also set the concealer with a loose compact powder. Moving on to the brows, I've used L'Oreal Paris Brow Artist Genius Kit, and I'm using that kit to define my eyebrows. Next, I've used the dark brown shade from the Freedom Contour Kit to contour my face, mainly on the hollows of my cheeks, on the perimeter of my face, on my forehead, and also on my jawline. I've used a bigger blending brush to blend that onto my skin. Next, I'm using this Lakme Absolute Bronzer to bronze up my face a bit. Next, I'm contouring my nose with the same contour palette used from Riche, and I'm using a beauty blender to blend it. Moving on to the eyes, I'm using that shade Neat from the Makeup Revolution Chocolate Vice palette, and I'm using it onto my crease. Next, I'm moving on to that pink shade Fancy from the same palette, and I'm applying that onto my eyelid. Next, I will be using that shade Must from the palette, and I will be applying that on the eyelid, mainly concentrating on the inner part of the eyelid. Next, I've used the dark brown shade Treat from the palette, and I'm using that to give some definition to my eyes by applying that on the outer V. Lastly, I'm going to use that shade Reason from the palette, and I'm going to apply it on the inner part of the eyelid. Next, I'll be using a liquid liner to apply a small wing, and the Liner that I've used is this Essence Ink Liquid Eyeliner. Moving on to the eyes, I'll be using this Maybelline Volum Express Falsies Mascara, and I'll be applying that to my upper and the bottom lashes. For the lips, I'll be using this L'Oreal Paris lipstick in the shade Sheer Plum. So I'm going to apply that all over my lips. For the lip gloss, I'll be using this shade Molto Mauve, again from L'Oreal Paris. For highlighter, I'll be using this Makeup Revolution highlighter in the shade Pink Lights, and I'll be applying that on the high points of my face, mainly on my cheekbones, brow bone, bridge of the nose, and also on the cupid's bow. For blush, I'll be using this hot pink shade from Faces Glam Perfect Blush, and I'll be applying that onto the apples of my cheek. I'm also going to apply that highlighter on the inner part of my eyes to give my eyes an open look. And that completes the finished look. I've also added a pair of false eyelashes to give a more dramatic look to the eyes. If you liked the video, please subscribe to my channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.